Meaning of holdover.
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 Holdover. Holdover refers to the continuation of a condition or activity beyond its intended or scheduled duration. It is often used in military or aviation contexts to describe the act of continuing a mission or operation despite unforeseen circumstances delaying the originally planned end time.
Holdovers can result from various factors such as weather conditions, equipment malfunctions, or unexpected events.
The outcome of a holdover can range from successful completion of the task at hand to disastrous consequences if not managed effectively.
In essence, holdover involves the ability to adapt and persevere in the face of challenges.